Charlie was a hard-working dog who saved every penny, dreaming of a better future. Despite his busy life, he found happiness at the bar with his best friend, Jim, always laughing and enjoying their time together. One night, Charlie met Bella, a beautiful dog who stole his heart. They started dating, and their love grew quickly. Soon, they got married and built a life together. Their joy expanded when Bella got pregnant, and they welcomed their baby, Sammy. Charlie loved spending time with their little family, playing and creating precious memories. But things changed. One day, a heated argument left Bella angry and Charlie heartbroken. His sadness consumed him, and soon, Bella decided to divorce him. Charlie was forced to leave the house, with nowhere to go. Now homeless, Charlie wandered the streets, asking for help, while Bella stayed comfortably in the home she got after the divorce. Charlie's story is a reminder of life's highs and lows and the strength it takes to endure.